What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, on social media and everywhere else, so many people were requesting the mayor of Tshwane to visit Sunnyside with their law enforcement officials to make sure that Sunnyside is following the rules and regulations of South Africa, and also to make sure that Sunnyside is free from any illegal activities. Well, today, on 24 January 2025, Nasiphi Moya visited Sunnyside.
Every week, every day, there's an operation of this nature that is taking place any area in Tshwane. That's very important for us because we don't only want these operations when political executive is involved. When it comes to the CBD, we launched this program 2 weeks ago where we said to the residents, you said you want your CBD back, you want a clean city, you want a city that is safe for you. Every week we promise you that there will be an intensive program or an operation that looks to reclaim your city.
So this is definitely a good thing that is being initiated by Nasiphi Moya. Sunnyside is definitely cutting a wake-up call. Nasiphi Moya is truly showing that governance is not all about press statements, but about taking massive action. From this, you can definitely see that what Silas Brink was failing to do is what Nasiphi Moya is actually really doing, and this is what the people want. Sunnyside itself is definitely not a friendly place to visit. No wonder all the previous mayors were afraid to go there. But Nasiphi Moya has proved that you can assemble the police officers and actually go there yourself and clean up the entire area. So as more and more Nasiphi Moya is working very hard, there is definitely no way that Silas Brink is going to return back onto this seat. He is not going to get that chain whatsoever, because the way that I'm seeing it, Nasiphi Moya is working very, very hard and delivering tangible results. Another interesting take is that her counterpart in Johannesburg, Dada Morero, he seems to be sleeping right now. And somehow Dada Morero does not face any consequences whatsoever. It seems as if it's just life, isn't it? So tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.